don't feel like heaven right now? Don't it feel like something from a dream? Yeah, I've never known nothing quite like this. Don't it feel like tonight might never begin? Baby, we know better. Try to pretend, honey, no one could have ever told me about this. So say yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. The waiting is the hardest part. Every day see one more card. Take it on faith, you take it to the heart. The waiting is the hardest part. Well, yeah, I might have chased a couple women around, but all that ever got me was down. Yeah, then there were those that made me feel good, but never as good as I feel right now. Baby, you're the only one that's ever known how to make me wanna live like I wanna live now. I say yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. The waiting is the hardest part. Every day gets one more yard. Take it on faith, you take it to the heart. The waiting is the hardest part. Whoa, don't let it kill you, babe. Don't let it get to you. Don't let it kill you, baby. Don't let it get to you. I'll be your bleeding heart, I'll be your crying fool. Don't let this go too far. Don't let it get to you. I say yeah, 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 yeah. The waiting is the hardest part. Every day gets one more yard. Take it on faith, you take it to the heart. The waiting is the hardest part. Yeah, the waiting is the hardest part. It's the hardest part. Hey, folks, going to be a guitar lesson for The Waiting by Tom Petty, one of Tom's mega hits. What a song. There's so many great YouTube lessons for this one, so this is just going to be my arrangement. I'm not trying to do exactly what Tom or the Heartbreakers are doing on this one, just my acoustic arrangement for this, but you could definitely play along to the record, kind of introduce you to the song if you don't know it, and then maybe watch like a real expert play this and get it exactly like Tom if you want to do that. But here's just kind of a basic version of this. I have the guitar in standard tuning. There's no capo. We start with that iconic riff. It's in a G major, and I'm playing the 4-finger G with the high E string, high B string covered throughout the song. I'm always playing that. So we start this way, something like this. All right, so in the G, I'm just going to walk up F sharp to G, just a quick. And then I'm going to walk back down to the F sharp. I'm going to keep the fingering the same. Again, that I'm going to simplify this a little bit just to make it easy. So G with the F sharp bass. Now an A. With the A, I'm barring the A, and then I'm on the 3rd fret, I'm going to play the high E and B string. So it's some kind of A suspended. I'm just going to call it an A, but it sounds more like that, I think. And then a D, regular D. So again. So it's G to F sharp bass to A, D, G, F sharp bass to A. Now you hold it. Oh, baby, don't feel like heaven right now. So that's that A, that weird A, to a G, D, repeats, A, G, D. Yeah, I've never known nothing quite like this. Don't it feel like tonight? B minor, playing that bard on the 2nd fret. And I'm going to open up the 2nd string to like a B sus2 or something, whatever it is. Then it goes to a G. We never better try to pretend. To an A. You kind of ride the A. I say, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Then you're back the riff. Every day sees one more card. You take it on faith. You take it to the heart. The waiting is the hardest part. One more time, G with the F sharp. A, D. Then you're back. I might have chased a couple women around. And all that repeats, so we won't go through that again. We'll just do the middle part. So it comes out of that. Oh, don't let it kill you, babe. B minor. And I'm going to keep opening up that 2nd string with the bar. Then I'm going to go to an A. I'll be your bleeding heart. D, I'll be your crying fool. G, don't let this go too far. To an F sharp, play that bard 2nd fret. Don't let it get to you. So I'm not doing the little walk-ups on that. I'll leave that for the electric guitars. But anyway, so it's just B minor for the chords. A, D, G, F sharp. Then you're back to the A, G, D, to A. That's the solo, obviously. And that's all the same. It just takes you back. The waiting is the hardest part. Every day gets one more yard. Take it on faith. You take it to the heart. The waiting is the hardest part. Repeat that. Yeah, the waiting is the hardest. So you're in that A, and I just A sus4, back to A, part. Then you're back to the riff. That's going to be it, folks. That is my arrangement for The Waiting by Tom Petty. Thank you, folks, for watching. I appreciate it. As I said, that's kind of an introduction to this song. It's a little more complicated than when I showed you kind of beginner level stuff, and it can be definitely more advanced. So anyway, I'll play along to the record, play with other people, and have fun with it, as always. I will see you soon, folks, with more Tom Petty lessons, more Beatles lessons, more everything lessons. Take care.